Bank of Industry is Nigeria's oldest, largest and most successful development finance institution. Over the last 6 years, it has provided financing to over 4 million enterprises, helping create more than 7 million jobs and diversifying Nigeria's economy beyond dependence on the volatile oil and gas industry. BOI's Managing Director and CEO is Olukayode Pitan. Olukayode, tell me more about those 4 million enterprises. Who are you helping, and why is it so important that Nigerian businesses get access to the kinds of financing you provide?
Thank you very much. Like you said, Bank of Industry is Nigeria's oldest DFI. Our mandate is to transform the industrial sector, for the economic development of our country. And we do that in many ways. We provide advisory services and funding to micro, small, medium, and large enterprises. We have access to long-term financing. So we're able to give loans for up to 8 years. We're able to give them cheaper costs of funding. Most of our loans are priced at less than 10%. Today in Nigeria, inflation is slightly over 20%. So you are getting a good deal when you actually come to Bank of Industry. And then we focus also on the areas that government has interest in, because that is one of the reasons why the bank was set up. For instance, creative sector, now it's popular, but initially we were the bank that went in there to basically de-risk that environment. And so many other areas, agro, manufacturing, IT, basically we finance virtually everywhere.
Why does Nigeria's industry need to be transformed? And how will you know if your work is ever done?
When you look at Nigeria, most of the things that we use now are imported. That's a drain on the foreign reserves of the country. Many of those things could be manufactured and produced locally. Because one, we actually make use of our local raw materials. We increase capacity of the companies we have locally. We reduce, the pressure on foreign exchange of the country. And then, of course, massive employment. In Nigeria, there are about 41 million SMEs. They provide over 80% of employment. That's why Bank of Industry is very important.
And how is this important work made possible? Talk me through your own financing.
In the last 5 years, we have been quite successful in raising funds. Either we raise through syndications or the bond market. We approached Eurobond market for the first time this year, and it was quite successful. All these funds, they're in foreign exchange. Now the question is, how do you protect the bank from foreign currency rate risk? So we normally swap all of these monies into Naira with Central Bank of Nigeria. And they have helped us tremendously by providing guarantees. So that's where the funding has come from for the activities that we have been doing.
World Finance, of course, is proud to call Bank of Industry our most sustainable bank in Nigeria for 2022. What does this recognition mean to you?
Well, for us, it means that our efforts have been recognized. We subscribe to responsible banking. That means that we are in alignment with these global SDG goals and the Paris climate agreement to ensure that the type of business that we are doing is such that it's fair to everybody and it takes into account the future. So we are proud and we are happy. If you do responsible banking in Nigeria, it helps not only Nigeria but the whole world.
Thanks for watching. Learn more at boi.ng. Click now for more videos with the world's most innovative banks, and please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.